In this video, I will show you how to check word count in Google Sheets. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. By default, there is no way to count words in Google Sheets, but you can make use of a simple formula to calculate number of words in any given cell of a Google Sheet. To do this, we are going to use a simple formula. This is the formula, and it makes use of the if along with COUNTA to help you count words in any given cell of a Google Sheet. So open a Google Sheet and add some text in some column. For simplicity, we will just use this column A. Just copy this formula from the description of this video and paste it. So let's start with the cell A1. So make sure that this variable is set to A1 and click outside, and it will instantly show you number of words in the cell A1. To count words in other cells, simply click on this cell and drag. It will now show you word count of the other cells in the column A. That's it. In this way, we can count any number of words in any cell of a Google Sheet. You just have to replace the cell index at two places here.